In this video, I will show you how to use SolidWorks to find some geometry that you may need in any, in fact, mechanical problems. So do a new part, click on the new part. And I will create a new sketch. Oops. I will use the front plane. That doesn't matter, we will just make one sketch for this one. So I will make the two rope. So they are going there and there. You see which problems I'm talking about. And I will make this last line, but this one, I will click on it and I will click it for constructions. So that will be just a line for constructions. That will be a dotted line. So it's not part of the sketch, it's just for the dimension. It doesn't really matter because we don't extrude anything, but I think it makes more sense. So I click on this vertical line, I click Control, and I click on the origin. Oops, this one. And this one. What is happening? This one. And the center. It's very weird. Okay, let me do it again. This center and this line. Here we go, midpoint. Don't forget to click the Control in the middle. Now I will put my dimensions on this line. So let's say our length is 500. I know my example is 1000, but let's put 500. The second one is the same it's the same. Make sure to keep it parallel. Oops. So this one is the same dimension. So we'll click on equal, and I will click on the dimensions 500 and enter. So you see the sum sign there? That means that this dimension is the same than this one. So if I change the first one, I change the second one. Always try to do that. I will add another construction line. So I click for constructions and I will add it between this one and this one. So now they are symmetrical. You see if I try to move this one, oops, both of them are moving together. The last thing that I'm missing is the angle. Let's say my angle between this one and this one is 25. And now my sketch is black. You want it black, that means that's fully constrained. And I will add another line that represents just the displacement of the point A. So I will go from this point to this point. That's my displacement. And I will add another line. Oops. I need to come back there. Go back. Go back. Okay, let me escape and do it again. And I will add a line from the point, let's say A prime to that point. That's the stretch cable. So the cable will stretch all the way there. Here we go, escape. And I will add the dimensions of this one. Let's say it's moved 5 millimeters. Oops, why is it not? So this line should be blue. Let me check why it's not blue. If it's not, it should be blue because this is stuck right and left. So let me grab this point, see what's happening. Grab this one cannot move, this one cannot move. What's happening? Let me check on that one. Up. I don't know. Okay, let's keep it blue. It should be black. I don't know why, but it should be black. And I will find the length of this one. And I will click enter. That will say, oh, do you want to put that dimensions? So it gives me the right to do the dimension. That's not normal. That should not be normal. Let me check something. I wonder if I should not put this one horizontal. Here we go. I should have to put this one horizontal. And now this one. Let me make it as driven. So, oops. So you will see now if I add it, it say, oh, you have too many dimensions. That doesn't work. We cannot over constrain your dimension. That's true that you have at the first time. So you say make the dimension driven, meaning you will have information of the dimension, but these dimensions will not drive the sketch. And you do A. Okay. So if the length of my rope is 500 millimeters, my angle is 25, and the point A move 5 millimeters to the right, the new stretch length of the cable is 504.5. So it's increase of 4 millimeters, 0.5. And the beauty with that is, of course, save your part. But let's say you do a new attempt and you have a new data, and now it's 550, I don't know, 55, And now you get an angle of 30 degrees. And instead of 5 millimeters, you got 7 millimeters. You got your new dimension, 571. So the delta will be 571 minus 565. You don't have to justify, if for the quizzes, if I don't ask you to justify the value or ask you to answer the length or something, you can definitely use SolidWorks for that, if that's fast for you. So hope that helps. Don't hesitate to use it anytime you are not sure about your geometry calculations and formula and all of that. That's very helpful. Bye-bye.